out together.
Cacao! Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
It's a rainy start to the day, so waterproofs. So off we go. So a little bit of retracing our steps. This is where we've spent the night. And off we go down there. Good morning, day 3. It's just a short jaunt into Pamplona where we're going to have a half day sightseeing. That's 7 miles, not very far. But it's been raining overnight. We expect some rain today. But let's see where the rest of the day takes us. A lot of horses. Fairly steep, concretey path, a bit slippy. Quite a rush on the river today with rain overnight. Rather nice. Looking for a crossing point. Nah, this is the Camino, you don't do that. We follow this river pretty much into Pamplona. Whoop. Over the river we've been following, and a lot of people are getting something to drink early morning. A 600-meter race down the road. Pilgrim's well ahead. That's why pilgrims walk on the road rather than on this path. This is the river we're following. We've gone over once, going over again. Just look at the size of this. There's my hand. He's a whopper. Coming up to Cat Corner. Hello you. You're all out together. Seen quite a few of these bird boxes suspended. Is this another water source? No, it says, do not drink. Coming to the outskirts of Pamplona, you can see all the building.
Cacao!
A concrete walk into Pamplona. Loads of pilgrims. What a beautiful ridge. And a series of weirs into the town. An albergue right here. A stream of pilgrims walking through the outskirts. Coming up to the Puente de Magdalena. Just incredible trees. Coming in and going around the old walled city. This is quite a structure. Wow. Just look at the height of that wall. You can see people. Look how high the wall is. This would have been a drawbridge as well. Wow. Through another gate into the old city. So this is our place for the night. Toilets, washing facilities, and pods. And we have these two pods. They have their own light and power. And then there are other pods through here. 19 euros. A bust of Ernest Hemingway outside the bull ring. There's a bridge. We walked the other side of that wall. These are the battlements.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.